Hey everyone, the Redmi A27Q 2025 monitor, a new addition to Xiaomi's Redmi sub-brand, has been unveiled and is currently available for pre-sale. This monitor targets consumers who want a balance between performance and budget by combining affordability with remarkable specs. A 27-inch display with a 2K resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels is a feature of the Redmi A27Q 2025. Sharper and more clear images are provided by this resolution improvement above the normal 1080p, improving the viewing experience all around. In addition, the monitor has an IPS panel, which is renowned for having wide viewing angles and outstanding color accuracy. This guarantees that viewers will always see colors that are bright and consistent, no matter where they are looking at the screen. One of the standout features of the Redmi A27Q 2025 is its 100Hz refresh rate. While not as high as some gaming-focused monitors, this refresh rate still delivers smooth visuals, making it suitable for casual gaming, multimedia consumption, and everyday tasks. Xiaomi's decision to opt for a 100Hz refresh rate strikes a balance between performance and affordability, appealing to a broader audience. In terms of color performance, the monitor covers 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring rich and lifelike colors for a more immersive viewing experience. With support for 8-bit colors and the ability to display 16.7 million colors, the Redmi A27Q 2025 delivers detailed and accurate color reproduction, suitable for creative work and entertainment. The monitor's maximum brightness of 250 nits ensures adequate visibility in various lighting conditions, although it may not be ideal for extremely bright environments. However, the wide 178-degree viewing angle ensures consistent colors and contrast, even when viewed from different angles, making it suitable for collaborative work or sharing content with others. Appearance-wise, the Redmi A27Q 2025 features a sleek and modern look with a screen-to-body ratio of 90%, maximizing the display area while minimizing bezels. This appearance choice enhances the immersive experience by minimizing distractions and focusing on the content being displayed. For connectivity, the monitor supports DisplayPort 1.4, offering high-bandwidth connectivity for smooth video and data transmission. Additionally, it is VESA mount compatible, allowing users to customize their setup with wall mounts or monitor arms for ergonomic positioning. Pricing-wise, the Redmi A27Q 2025 monitor is attractively priced in China at 749 Chinese yuan, or roughly $103. With this pricing strategy, the monitor is positioned as a feature-rich and reasonably priced solution for customers looking for high-quality screens without going over budget. Its appealing price point and remarkable features make it an appealing option in the market category, appealing to a diverse user base seeking performance and value in their monitor purchases. Despite being unveiled in China, the Redmi A27Q 2025's availability on the international market is yet unknown. But for those searching for a flexible and reasonably priced monitor, its amazing specs, which include broad color gamut compatibility, a refresh rate of 100Hz, and 2K resolution, combined with an inexpensive price point, make it a strong contender. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I will wait for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.